In this video, I will guide you on how to access and locate your clipboard on your Android or iPhone. So locate where your messaging apps are or search engines. So let me say I will just tap onto Google just like that. This will make my keyboard pop out. So this toolbar right at the top of the buttons on my keyboard will pop up too. So this horizontal toolbar, the third option that looks like a paper icon, that is my clipboard. I will just tap on it right there. And then all my copied links and text will be located right here. And if it happens that you don't see your clipboard, what you have to do is to go back to your settings, phone settings, locate where your phone settings are, and just tap onto the gear icon right there. Once you're here, scroll down. You can scroll down and locate your keyboard, or just need to tap onto the search bar right here at the top. Then what you have to do is to type in keyboard tool bar, just like that. And the keyboard option will become available. So what you have to do is to just click onto that option right there. And then once you're here, your keyboard toolbar will be highlighted. If it happens that your keyboard toolbar is toggled off, you just need to turn it on. Just need to turn it on just like that. And you'll be able to go ahead and access your clipboard. That's it, guys. That is the best way of how to access your clipboard on Android. And this option right here is what we call the clipboard. You can paste in the links you want. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.